Alright, I got a 2012 Ford Fusion. Gonna show you how to reset the oil light. I don't believe this one's on, but I did some work to it and he wanted me to do an oil change too. So I just want to make sure everything's up to par. Put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position. You don't want to start the vehicle, just turn it to the on position. You're gonna start down here with the info button and you're gonna push that until you come up to your normal screen. Once you're on that screen, you're gonna hit the setup button and you're gonna hit it twice. Once it's going to bring up that, twice it's going to bring up the oil life. And again, this one says 100, but I just did an oil change, so I want to go ahead and reset it anyway. So we're going to hold down the reset button. You'll hold that down and it'll say oil life set to 100% and you're good to go. And then you can hit the info button and go back to your normal screen.